But this is just, I like to bring humor by providing various comics I think are funny. So this is from Gilbert, and it starts out by saying, can you adjust your camera so I'm not looking up your nose? Okay, so now I want to talk about the V model, the infamous V model, okay? So now the V model. Let's do a little humor first. So we got pre-V model humor. So now we're going to talk about qualification and its requirements. So as we talked about earlier, we see that qualification is the predecessor to validation. You can't really validate. We're going to get into qualification protocol development. So what is a protocol? A protocol is a vehicle required to achieve. So now let's talk about qualifications. To summarize, we see that IQ, OQ, PQs are the types of qualifications. Now we're going to talk about some differences between validation and qualification. Like we talked about yesterday, I think that a lot of folks tend to get the two confused. So validation master plan, we talked about this. And I just call a master plan as being a roadmap for validations because, like I said, it covers everything. So now we're going to talk about quality systems. So you look here and you see that the International Council for Harmonization, so ASTM E2500. What is ASTM E2500? It is, of course, a newer concept. It came about in 2007. So now we're going to talk about some common issues. We're going to talk about common issues a bit now. So we have deviations in reporting. So now we are to the point of concluding our discussions on validations and qualifications.